Good morning, everyone. Let's continue our chapter. Our next topic is women's work and equality. As we have seen, the low value attached to women's household and caregiving work is not an individual or family matter. It is a part of a larger system of inequality between men and women. So it therefore has to be dealt with through actions not just at level of the individual or the family but also by the government. So as we have seen that somewhere the women's work is not as much respected as man's work, so this is not the problem of individual, it is the problem of society also, and it should be something should be done by the government also. So as we know, equality is an important principle of our constitution. So the constitution say that being male or female should not become a reason for discrimination. In reality, inequality between sexes exists. The government is therefore committed to understanding the reasons for this and taking positive steps to remedy this situation. For example, it recognizes the burden of child care, housework falls on women and girls. So this naturally has an impact on whether girls can attend school. It determines whether women can work outside the house, what kind of jobs and careers they can have. The government has set up Anganwadis or child care centers in several villages in the country. The government has passed laws that make it mandatory for organizations that have more than 30 women employees to provide crutch facilities. The provisions of crutch helps many women to take employment outside the home. It also make it possible for more girls to attend the school. So this was the things the government is doing to make the equality or to create the equality between men and women. So this was the lesson. It is complete now. Now you have to read the lesson from the starting and revise it. Try to understand each and every question, every concept. If still any doubt, you can ask. Tomorrow we will do the glossary or the question answer, and in the lesson you have to do the question answer also, like self make question answer. Try to make MCQs from the lesson. That is much important for you. So rest we will do tomorrow. Have a good day.